Hey, welcome back. Annie J here. Okay, so today is my first fun delivered unboxing. I'm really excited about this. Okay, for anyone that doesn't know, fun delivered can consist of undeliverable packages, unclaimed packages, overstocked products, customer returns, canceled orders, rewrapped rescue boxes. I got the plus box that's supposed to contain 7 to 10 items. It was $124.99 with free shipping. Okay, so let's get right into it. And I am outside, so you will probably hear birds, maybe some roosters. Okay, I'm trying to get it done before the storms come, which we need really, really bad. Look at the grass behind me. See how dry it is? We are in a severe drought. Okay. There's a little card that comes in every box. And what I'm going to do, after I show it to you, I'm going to take everything out, put it on the table in front of me, put the box down here so I can put all my trash and the items in that box. There it is. Ooh. Okay, I'm back. So I got 12 packages, so that's good. We're going to start with this one. It says made in China. Looks to be a sweater. Thinking it's probably something Temu or Amazon. Oh, it's a sweater vest. No, sweater vest. Sweater dress. It's cute. Would never fit me in a million years. And there's no name, so I'm thinking Temu or something else. But also, I will research everything and put the value here somewhere. Okay. Then we have a small package, and this feels to be like some kind of makeup or lotion. And this is also from China. Stain remover for clothing. And it comes with this little spout. We can always use that. Okay. Next, this is also from China. So this is another, some kind of cleaning, fabric cleaner. And it came with a little cloth. Okay, they must think I need some cleaning stuff. But, you know, supposedly they don't know what's in these, so it's the luck of the draw, kind of like playing the lottery. You look good every day, every Jules. I think that's how you pronounce that. I think I've heard of that name before. Have you guys? I think I have. Alright. Ooh, got several things in here. Got some stickers. Well, if I could hold on to it, you could see it. Cherry stickers. And, okay, well that has somebody's address. I'm not showing that. Hi Bessie, thank you for your order. And it comes in this cute little pouch. Oh, it's a ring and a bracelet. Oh, hold on, several rings and a bracelet. Okay, and a necklace. This looks to be costume jewelry, but I will show you. Okay, it's got like the Roman numerals. Some little fake diamonds. Hope y'all can see that. Not that great. Okay, I'm just going to lay these over here for now. A costume jewelry ring. That's a pretty ring. It's a little heart ring. That's pretty. I wonder if it's my size. Oh, it's big. Too big for me, but that's pretty. Okay. I'm trying to do this fast, guys. The jewelry's a little bit hard to do quick. If you want to see it. Like, if you want me just to, when I do these, not show the jewelry, that's fine. Just let me know. Or just fast forward through it. Then this looks like, is that I guess it's just a regular earring. It's like a stud with, I don't know how you would do that. I don't know, guys. It's not a belly ring, though, I don't think. But it's cute. Okay, I'm just putting these over here. Not going to throw those in the box because I'll probably lose it. Okay, now this looks to be some kind of anklet. Oh, or is it a necklace? I think it's a necklace, but it's kind of tangled up. So anyway, it's got their little Every, or Avery, however you pronounce it. And then that, so I guess it's a necklace. But anyway, okay, we'll move on from that. But that was nice. Have to look up the value of it. It's definitely costume jewelry, not real. Okay. So this, can't see where this is from. Size large. Ibuprofen. Okay. That's interesting. Ibuprofen. Don't know what that, I mean, I know what ibuprofen is, but how that's on a t-shirt and what that little face is, I don't know. If you know, let me know. Unbranded, size large. Okay, we're going to do this one. This has a address on it. And guys, listen. I have a lost package, so some of you may get it. About a little over a month ago, I ordered from Belt some Estee Lauder, and I was supposed to get like 2 free gifts. It was over $100. And 2 weeks I didn't get it, so I called, and their customer service top notch. They immediately said, we'll send you out another package. If you end up getting the package, just keep it, which I'll probably never get it. It's still stuck in Atlanta somewhere, but I thought that was very nice of them. So one of y'all might get that in one of your boxes. Okay, this seems to be, I don't know what in the world this is. Okay. Not sure. It's got a hood, so it looks like some kind of sleeping. It's got, this feels soft like a pillow, so I'm thinking it's some kind of, you know, sleeping, not really a sleeping bag, but maybe like a, put it on and you feel, I don't know, cuddly or something. Who knows, guys? But there you go. Anyway. Okay, next, opening this. And this looks like probably an overstock because it's like wrapped with no return address or anything. So that's probably an overstock. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. White noise machine. And they gave me 2 of them. 2 in one box. So that's nice. These will make great gifts. We already have one, which actually now my husband just uses the phone. But they're nice. Okay, we're going to open up this box. And this one was an undelivered. Maybe a pair of shoes. We'll see. These are really fun, guys. Just not knowing what you're going to get. You know, you order thread up shoe box. You know you're getting shoes, but you know, you don't know what kind. But this box is just like, you can get anything. And of course, I will keep if it's something I like. I will try to resell something I don't like, or I might keep something for gifts, like those sound machines. Oh, it's a canister set. that's nice. It's 1, 2, they all look the same. 3. I'm assuming that's what it is. It looks like canister sets. Okay. Let's see if they came with stickers to put on. My don't. And I may keep those, not sure. I'm assuming it's just something from Amazon or Temu, but that's nice. Throw that down there. Okay, we have this box, which I'm assuming is an overstock because it does not have a label. Oh, headphones. Noise canceling headphones. I've never heard of that brand before. Have you guys? Bluetooth by Gabba Goods. Gabba Goods. I'm gonna have to look that up. That's nice. Okay. This one's big. Let's see what this is. And this also, they didn't burn out the name on this one. Okay. But it looks like this might have been a return because it's super duper wrapped, taped. Oh boy, this is like some kind of coat. Oh, it's popping out of there. Is it a pillow? Oh, it's some kind of blanket. I don't know what this is. It's just some kind of cushion. Very cheaply made. But I don't know where you're supposed to, you know, I don't know. But it's definitely some kind of cushion. Very soft. No name. Okay, next. So far, yeah, it's okay. I've watched a lot of videos and people got a lot better stuff than what I've gotten. So, but yeah, I knew this when I ordered it. You know, you're taking a risk. Okay. Whoop. Wind's starting to blow. Okay. So what is this thing? I have no clue. No clue whatsoever. Oh, it feels good. Okay. Looks like another type of little seat cushiony thing. And a little pillow to come with it. But once again, no name, so it's unbranded, so I'm assuming Temu, something like that. Okay. And this has their name on it. Gotta cover it, and this box is pretty beat up. So let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Perfect for spring too. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's a little tulipery. I like that. Alright guys, that's it. So what did you think? Not too impressed, to be honest with you. I have to check the earphones to see what the value is. I will add everything up and see what the value is. But if you get these to resell, my first impression is no. Of course, that's without saying the value of the headphones. But as of right now, no. I wouldn't. If you just want to do it for fun, which I did, you know, a lot of fun. I wanted to test it out. Will I order another one? I probably will. Just to, I mean, you can't really judge off one box. So I will give them another try and see. And if I get a couple boxes similar to this, then I probably won't try them again. But then again, it's undelivered mail, so you don't know what you're getting. So when you order these boxes, you are taking that risk. And I knew that. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Until next time, bye.